Welcome to my video 7. This is basically about edit deleting limiting the edit and deleting to owners of the listing. So we'll have a look at that. So okay, we'll we will change the cast controller. So earlier we listed this create into all only to authorized people, so we'll go beyond that. So in the create, so if you look, so it is getting the parameters through this, so it is getting the parameters as a car. So it says it binds the id, brand, model, title, and uploaded by those values when somebody enters that. So we want to change that uploaded by to the logged in user. So we change it here, car dot uploaded by equals we want to set it to the logged in user. So user dot identity dot name, we need to add that before we add the car to the context. So okay, we'll just put a comment, add username to uploaded by add logg. It is a good idea to comment, especially when it is something complicated, but so far we have done most of the very simple things. But it is up to you, because most of the time, even though you have written the code after couple of months, even you can't figure out what you have done. So it is a very good idea to even the simplest things to come in. So we'll see whether this works. Okay, and we'll start debugging. Okay, we want to create a new car. We'll see. Okay, and so to do that I need to log in, because now we don't allow. Okay, so it is we'll say Mitsubishi. Model will say Magna, or maybe we say Lancer, something popular. We'll give it a description. I just okay, not that one. Okay, I just copied from somebody car sales website description or the title. Later we will add more fields to that, including the description and whether it is automatic. And but we want to, this is just a matter of learning how to do it. So uploaded by, at the moment we need to put something, otherwise it will bring up an error message, I think. Yes, oh no, it has gone. Okay, so we can, so you can see I have logged with this email address, so it has already added that. So it has worked. So we'll limit now editing and deleting to only to person logged with this email. Okay, now we will log out, stop debugging, and in the cast controller we will go down. So create is okay, and we'll go to edit this here. So okay, we'll do the, okay, we can yep, okay, return model if model is okay. Where should we try it here? Okay, if the car is not found, there is no need to worry about that. Okay, all right. So um, If you like, you can add it to here, but we will add it as a separate statement. So we will add this if statement. I think we discussed about if statements earlier. So if the condition is that the car dot uploaded by, the person who uploaded by must be equal to dot equals, uh, it is better to use equals rather than using the equal sign. Uploaded by equals, so we want to compare that with user dot identity dot name. So if that is satisfied only, we are going to see it. So we'll remove this one. So all this, okay. So if the user is the logged in user is the same as the person who has uploaded, then he can edit, but otherwise he will just go back to where it was here. Okay, and we'll see. Okay, sorry, this is the exception. Okay, we need to do it here. Okay, up here. Okay, let me see. um, and we need to remove this one. Control X, and we'll put it here. Let me see. We can now it is everywhere, so we can go to edit and advanced format document, and that should bring it sort of into an order. So now you can see these brackets corresponding to this bracket here. um, okay, so if car uploaded by equals the user, then allow to edit. So otherwise just return to index file. Okay, we'll see how it works. Debug, start debugging. Okay, now because there is only one user, I have created a separate user. We'll see. Register a new user. We'll just put a fake email address. Because we have not configured for email validation, we can just, okay, now we will log in as d@gmail.com. This is a fake email address. We'll say remember me, and now you can see it. So it is done by these people, and we'll see whether we can edit it. Okay, edit. What happened? So we'll change the model. Instead of Lancer, we'll change it to Magna, and then we'll say save. Okay, so it has not changed. Okay, maybe we'll give another try. I am not sure. Okay, maybe we will change the brand to Ford. Ford, Ford model Mondeo. um, Save. Okay, so it has not allowed to change, so it is working, but maybe we should okay, one thing we can do is here, if this is not there, so we can if he is not the user, then we can return it to a different page, so that with the error message. We'll see how we do it in the next few minutes here. Okay, before we forget, we will just leave a comment here so we know we have changed that here. Change to allow only uploaded user to edit. Okay, so if it is failed, so we will create a new method. So we will say else. So okay, so if it is equal to the username, so it will allow to edit, so or else it will return to some other page. Okay, um, where okay, so we will else return view. We will go to, we will create a new view called maybe, okay, on author RICD. So we will create a view called unauthorized. So we will, okay, we need to create that in the controller. So okay, it is easy, just we copy that one and change. So we don't need anything here. We'll just return view. And we'll see how it, so we need to create a add view. You can right click here and click add view. So we just add the standard race view. Yeah, you can, yeah, okay, both are same in this case. Okay, we don't need any strong type. Yeah, okay, unauthorized use layout page. Yes, that's okay. Add. Take few minutes, so we'll see. And okay, okay, we just add it. You are not authorized to do this section. We'll see. Okay, so it is in the cars controller, so we'll see whether we can go there. Car slash on no Yep. Okay, so it is working. So we want to make sure it is working when we try to delete as well. Debug. Okay. Where are we? Start debugging. So we want to check. Okay. So this is I am logged as triple D. So we'll go here and we'll say edit. Okay. We'll just change it to Magna and save. Yep. Okay, so it is giving me the correct error message. You are not authorized to do this section here. Okay, so we'll do the same with the delete. Okay. Where is delete here? Okay, delete confirmed. So we will do um, maybe we can just copy that part. See editing, and we will come here deleting. So allow delete only to uploaded user brackets. So we'll remove this one here. Okay, else are we right? So if car uploaded by equals user dot identity dot name, let them delete the car, or if not we will send it to here. Okay, so is return view name is on. Okay, debug, start debugging. So I am logged in with a different name. We'll see whether we can delete this one. Delete. Yep. Okay, we'll see. Delete. No, you are not authorized to do this action. Okay, we'll go to that here. Okay, so it is working fine. Yep. Okay, we have done that part. We probably now we don't want the um, uploader in the editing and creating part, so we will remove that. So okay, we'll go to create, and because uploaded by this part we can disable because it is automatically added in the controller. We don't want somebody trying to override that. So and where is the edit here? Okay, we don't want it in the edit as well. Uploaded by debug, start debugging. Okay, I am logged in. We'll see whether I can create a new. Okay, we'll say, okay, what is that one? The new car brand. Okay, Suzuki. And I don't know any model number. We'll just say this is the new model. So now we don't have the uploaded field, so it is okay. And it's a new model, so it has come correctly. So we'll see whether the same can be done with the edit. So we'll go here, we'll say edit. So let me see who is that. Yeah, it is under the word Sam, but it is not the exact email. So we'll see edit. Yeah, okay. We'll remove this use car. We'll say like use the car. Okay. Why is that edit difference here? Okay. Um, Even after doing that, so I am still getting, so I'm getting the error. So I have verified user.identity.name is not null, but it is still bringing up null reference. Probably the issue is that uploaded by is not coming here because we have disabled that in the edit one. Yeah, okay, so we'll stop debugging and we'll go to edit, and we'll see this one. We will set this one as read only, so that is, we'll see. Yep, okay. And in create, do we have, maybe we will do it in create as well, otherwise debug, start debugging. Instead of clicking the menu on the top, you can just click F5 to go to debugging. Okay, we'll see. So I am logged as triple D, so we'll see whether you can edit this one. Edit. um, this is a brand new car, so now you can't change this one. You can see it is grayed out. Save. Okay, so it has changed. This is a brand new car. I will see whether I can edit this one as well, because this one we should come with the error message. Yeah, okay. Edit. Okay, welcome to save. Okay, you are not authorized to do this section. Yeah, okay, that's okay. So what about this one? We'll see whether edit works. Transfer to, yep, okay, it doesn't allow. And we'll see about create a new. Does it work? What other brands are there? So we will say, okay, Hyundai. um, okay, um, brand new electric, so it has load this one, but looks like we don't need that. Okay. Looks like in the create one we don't need to have this part because it is anyway uh, we are not going to use it, we will disable it. Other thing what I want to discuss is that we if somebody tries to edit this one, say imagine somebody tries to edit this one, if triple D try to edit somebody else's one, we'll see what happens. So we'll go to edit. So rather than this screen, we can disable this at the view file. Actually the edit file, sorry. Yeah, so in the edit file, so this is actually the, we will change this one title, edit car. We don't need this one here. Okay, let me see. Okay, and um, we'll close this one here. Okay, and we can put a message here saying um, if you are not the logged in user, maybe we will display a different message. Okay, so to do that we will start uh, if user dot logged in identity dot name uh, dot equals, so we need to get the model details. So dot uploaded by allow edit. Okay, we'll say h2 allow edit, and we come here, else. I'm just testing this here. Okay, why here it comes up with the, yeah, okay, maybe um, here we are mixing the HTML with C# code. Normally what we do is we'll start it with at symbol, and okay, um, in somehow it is not changing to that, so maybe we will force it to do it. So maybe with something like B. We'll see what happens if we debug, start debugging. So it is saying single statement control flow. Okay, there is a document. Okay. Okay, so it is little bit different to the old version of ASP.NET MVC. So we need to enclose that everything inside that. Yeah, okay, we'll bring it here. Control X. Okay, see whether it can do the advanced format document. Yeah, okay, else. Yep, okay. Okay, we need to have another bracket here. That is the problem. Okay, um, and another bracket here. Yeah. Okay, so now this bracket corresponding to this one. Okay, now it looks like okay. Um, to avoid this sort of issues, you can get the extension. We'll see manage extensions. There is a popular extension. I am resharper. It will allow you to have all the brackets color coded, so matching brackets will be the same color. There are so many other extensions, but I am trying to be simple. So rather than forcing you to buy this and that, I am trying to do it in the simplest way you can do it, provided you are uh, careful. Okay, so now with this add symbol and the bracket, it will start coding in C inside. But when it sees HTML type tag, it will change it to HTML. So this is how it will work. So we'll see what happens when we run this one. This won't do anything, but it will, if I am logged in with the correct username, it will display allow edit, otherwise it will display disallow edit. We'll see how it works. Okay, so this should bring up the message saying disallow edit. Edit. Okay, so it brings up the message disallow edit, and go back to the listing. So I am logged in as triple D, so it should allow edit. Okay, allow edit here. So it has worked. So what I have to do is I need to bring this part, we'll squeeze it. We need this one, render partial, so we'll leave that one. So we will bring this part, give more space inside this, control X, control V, and yep, okay, and we'll change the name is you are not allowed to edit this. Okay, that should be better, and always better to have a better description of what is happening. We'll see how it works now. So if I go to here, I am logged in as triple D. If I go here and edit, okay, you are not allowed to edit this, so that go back, and so should allow this one to be edited. So we'll go to edit. So yep, okay, this is a brand new car. We'll change this one model number to 2 and see whether editing is good. Okay, oh, model 8 number 2. Okay, um, so far so good. We'll stop debugging. And one thing I want to mention is, so if you right click on the project name and go to properties, you can see basic settings of that one. So I am using .NET 5, so the latest one, and selection of the target framework should depend on basically where you are going to host. If you are using especially shared hosting, you need to talk with your hosting provider and ask what sort of framework they are supporting. You can run most of these ones under .NET Core 3.1 as well. and that's also, and all the other settings are here if you want to change it. Okay, and thanks for watching my video. We'll see in another video uh, tomorrow. Thanks.